So which presidents were America's greatest leaders? C-SPAN recently asked 91 presidential historians to rate our 43 presidents in 10 areas of leadership. Top billing this year went to the president who preserved the Union, Abraham Lincoln. He's held the top spot for all three C-SPAN historian surveys. Three other top vote getters continued to hold their positions: George Washington, Franklin Roosevelt, and Theodore Roosevelt. Dwight Eisenhower, who served in the Oval Office from 1953 to 1961, makes his first appearance in the C-SPAN Top 5 this year. Now, rounding out the historians' top 10 choices, Harry Truman, Thomas Jefferson, John F. Kennedy, and Ronald Reagan. Lyndon Johnson jumps up one spot this year to return to the top 10. But pity Pennsylvania's James Buchanan. He's ranked dead last in all three C-SPAN surveys. And there's bad news for Andrew Jackson as well. Our seventh president found his overall rating dropping this year from number 13 to number 18. But the survey had good news for outgoing President Barack Obama. On his first time on the list, historians placed him at number 12 overall. And George W. Bush moved 3 spots up on the scale to 33 overall, with big gains in public persuasion and relations with Congress. How did our historians rate your favorite president? Who were the leaders and the losers in each of the 10 categories? You can find all this and more on our website at cspan.org.